Hi, my name is Brenda Terry, and this is my Pecha Kachu project. All right, Body Jam got me through depression and insecurity. I finally felt like a woman, sexy and confident. That quote was from me, and I am 32 years old. My name is Brenda Terry, and this presentation is to show you a little bit about how I was led through my darkest times to become a Les Mills Body Jam instructor. We're going to go through different snapshots of my life, 20 slides, 20 seconds each. And the purpose of this presentation is pretty much to show you one decision that changed my life and Les Mills Body Jam, how it changed my life, and also how I became a Body Jam instructor. So we know that we all have different seasons, dark, light, good, up, down. Really, my ability to be able to handle these moments was pretty much lacking. If it weren't for those seasons, though, that I endured emotionally, spiritually, physically, emotionally, I wouldn't be here who I am today, strong and confident. So really how this led me out of the darkness from, yep, you see it right there. I was 225 pounds in 2013, very dark time where I was feeling very depressed and anxious. I had a lot of insecurities, a lot of low self-confidence moments that I had to be delivered from. I was very distant, I was very isolated, and it was a dark time that I really, I'm not really proud of, but I know that it was a moment that was a part of a process to become the woman that I am today. So those different seasons really helped me in enjoying the process, even though I didn't even know that I should be enjoying it, and coming from that and desiring the love for my children, the love for my family, and really connecting with them. The best way that I did that was actually making a choice. I made a choice to choose Christ. He is my Savior. He is the one that pretty much showed me a purpose and a love that I never even thought I could even find on this earth. So from being distant to now being very close to my family, I had another chance to rebuild, I guess, a different chapter of my life. From that decision, I went pretty much to the gym. I went to the gym. I started not only mentally, well, spiritually changing, but also physically changing by making a choice. And I was a little skeptical at first about the YMCA. My coworker came up to me and told me about them, and I know that any YMCA, it was pretty pricey. I applied for financial aid, and you guessed it, yep, I got approved. So I got approved to be able to go from the pool to the treadmill to the different classes that they offered. I got approved to pretty much start a different life of less stress, coping with stress through the gym and really working out to lose that weight and also lose everything from my past in order to become my future. One of those classes I joined was actually Les Mills Body Jam. You see those folks right there, they're really having fun, they're really letting loose. That is what Body Jam does. It was a safe and free way that I was able to let loose and pretty much perform dance moves I didn't even know that I could do. Les Mills Body Jam goes from jazz to hip hop to ballet to trance to house, different types of music. It's pretty much a combination of music with hot dance moves that everyone can enjoy. I truly believe that music is a universal language, and what more to add a little dance to it for not only fun, but a way to work out as well. Because as you know, moms don't dance. Well, they do now. I love Les Mills because of their research, their evidence-based workout. Their mission is really to create a fitter planet. They actually say that working out and creating a fitter planet doesn't mean making people work out. It really means helping people fall in love with fitness and make them want to work out. So their evidence-based workouts really are a building block to their programs, from body pump to grit to body flow. If you like that yoga, tai chi feel, Body Jam is my favorite that I personally enjoy. And the way that they have their workouts, they psychologically, motivationally, and behavioral areas of fitness is all research through their head of research. So the man that actually choreographed Body Jam is actually Gandalf Archer Mills, which is that wonderful man, handsome because he dances too, right there. He actually says that Body Jam is the ultimate combination of dance and music. So I truly believe that. He does a great job with choreographing the moves and what more to share it with others. Now, Body Jam really sparked a fire in my heart to become a Body Jam instructor. I know I keep saying Body Jam, but really, if it can get it in your head, maybe you'll try it out. But that passion sparked, and I really wanted to share my testimony with others and share that how a dance and that type of workout really changed my life, and share that with others as well. So lo and behold, YMCA actually held a Les Mills Body Jam training program. So a master instructor came down and trained us for 2 days. With the YMCA discount, I was able to actually attend that particular training to become an instructor. And from then on, I went from the challenges and the discouragements and the trial and errors to build a family, build a community, build just a little small group of people that I can rely on and trust and know that they're not going to judge me, and they were there to encourage me and help me out, because there were moments that I wanted to quit. I really wanted to just give up. But without their encouragement and motivations, I probably wouldn't be part of the person that you see today, right now, grown from a seed over to a plant and creating fruits that everyone can enjoy, because of the hard work and labor that helped not only with the community, but also with YMCA and my decision to go to Christ. So with this being said, even though I went through all those tireless moments, I went through the trials of actually doing the video assessment. And yes, you see it right there. I passed. I passed my video assessment. I became a body jam instructor officially on paper, with access to be able to do every release with my YMCA family or any facility that holds the body jam classes itself, and it was an accomplishment that I was super excited about. So there you see, from 2013 at 225 pounds to the woman I am today, even though it's 2019, but that picture on the right is 2018, 170 pounds, full of joy, full of life, not on medication, not depressed or insecure, all because I accepted the challenge. I accepted the challenge to move forward, and to pretty much take my first step. When I took my first step, I accepted that challenge and I moved forward regardless of any of the obstacles in the way. And the only step that was next was to conquer it. So I challenge you now, go conquer your steps, accept the challenge, and move forward with your life.